Day, and we are at a major level of resistance at the moment. I wouldn't be too surprised to see if we just smash through it very quickly. But anyway, we had a fairly strong day, and that was based on US data that came out. I'm not entirely convinced that we're going to do anything logical today. So yeah, I think what we need to do is just look for the levels and trade off those levels. Now, I'm just drawing in a couple of areas here. So the first one, you can see this was major resistance in the past, and we've sort of used it a little bit as resistance here. And then a little bit further down, I've got this area here, which was used as resistance there. And we haven't tested that level yet either. And up above, we've got this area here. You can see where all the tails come down. And that's pretty much where we bounced off. I'll give you the exact levels on the lower time frames. We don't need to pay attention to all of them. There's just a few of them we need to pay attention to. So first things first, the DAX is trending up. There is no doubt about that. It is moving upwards. So what should we be doing? We should be looking for longs. I'm not looking for any shorts in this kind of scenario. We're only looking for longs, and we want to find the longs off areas of support. Now, if you look at the 3 hour, this daily level here, which is 12512, let's adjust it a little bit further. That's 12557. That is the first area of support we have, and then we have one further down here. And I'm also going to adjust that slightly up to the swing low, which is 12307. Okay, to the upside, we have tagged 12884, which is a major level. And when I say major level, you'll probably see that on the weekly as well. You can see there's all the weekly lows on this area. Look further back and you'll see it was used as support there, used as resistance there, and used as support here. Okay, so if you look at how many weeks we used as support, and there was sort of 1 week, and then next week we reversed off it. And here, look how many weeks we used as support. So that's a pretty big level to watch out for. Looking at the hour, there is another level we need to pay attention to. And that is right here, fairly close to where price is, 12737. You can see that's the swing higher. Okay, so putting this all together, I think just going to come down to 15 minutes here because it's probably going to be easier to explain. So we had this area here where the sellers came in. We then moved up, came back to test it, moved back up, and we're coming back to test it at the moment. So that is an area of significance, not on the higher time frames, but pretty much on the 15. So 12725. So any kind of, and I just wanted to see what is transpiring on the current futures market. So just give me a sec. So DAX is up 0.35% at the moment, and we are trading at 13,814. So we are somewhere over here, I would assume. Not a little bit higher than that. So we're pretty much in the same area where we closed off. Okay, so we're looking for price to come back, test the level. This is the first level we got, is 12725. The stop is quite far away. And then this is the next level. Well, actually, there's another micro level right there. Not going to draw it in. It's going to make us start getting the chart a little bit too busy, but that's a micro level. If we break below this area here of 1375, I would expect it to come all the way down here to 12557. There's a lot more support down there. Okay, but now what you've got to remember on the DAX at the moment is that 12884 is a weekly level. That's a major level. So to get through that is going to take a bit of effort. Now, one way I like to trade this when we're coming up to big levels like this is the trend is up, so you're anticipating a break of the level. It's a very strong trend. So any pullback to buy, move up, sell out half my position, move the other half of my position to break even. If it does get through, come back and test and start making a new high, then I start adding to that position, move the stop up. Okay, that's kind of the way I'll tackle this. You normally like to see at least 3 touches of a major level before it actually gives way. Sometimes if it's really strong and it shoots straight through, then okay, you can. I wouldn't chase it. I'd wait for the retest, so pull back, build some structure, and then pull away. Okay, so just in summary, what I'd be looking for on this is 12725. Come back and test this area, hold it, start making higher highs. That's a long. The other one is a fairly solid break above 12884, but then I'm looking for an hour retest. So because it's such a major level, it could bounce back at the close of the day, sort of give you a daily pin bar off there. So that's always a risk that you run when you're at a major level. So sometimes it's not even worth staying in. But I think for this one, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt, but I want to wait for a pullback before I get in. Alternatively, it needs to be an hourly break, an hourly retest, and then I may look at getting in, which basically means I may not get into this today at all if it jumps up and runs through here straight away. Okay, but if it does sort of open, come back, bounce around, build some support, build a flag or something, or a wedge or anything like that, double bottom, rounding bottom, anything like that in this upward trend, that would give me the opportunity to buy. Okay, and then obviously the last thing is the price action. I'll be looking for inside bars, like those two there, pin bars or engulfing bars. Okay, see there's an engulfing bar there. So that's the kind of structure I'll be looking for, and looking for longs. I think it's pretty much that simple. And if I come to the half hour quickly, you'll see we have a little bit of a flag brewing here. So, which is why any break here, I would expect it to basically hit 12665 and then bounce back and then make another attempt at getting through. So just because that's a major weekly level. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me on the DAX. If you're still listening, please smash that like button. Would appreciate it. Helps me grow the channel. And stay safe, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.